Greetings. Most people throw away their service records without thinking twice. Big mistake. In this video, I'll show you exactly how keeping good maintenance records adds real dollar value, especially when it's time to sell. Whether it's a car, a mower, a generator, or any piece of equipment that you own. This is one of the simplest habits you can build that pays you back every single time. Now, I just sold a piece of equipment for $400 more than my neighbor for the exact same thing. The only difference is I had the paperwork. Now, two identical machines, they sell for very different prices. Keep your service receipts. Keep them somewhere where it's easy to get at, to add to it every service interval, whether it's the glove box, a desk drawer. These are worth way more than clipping coupons. It takes less time. Buyers assume neglect when they see no service history. They negotiate less when they see service records. You get a higher price. I also track repairs and sales on one of my Excel sheets to track profits from repair efforts. Maintenance logs, receipts, notes. Trust increases price. Toss them in a drawer, glove box, same place each time you perform the service. I track each of my repair machines and show purchasers a list of items replaced and repaired. Documentation increases confidence. Confidence increases value. This also helps me decide whether to part out a machine or repair and sell it. If the sales price is higher, I have less part-out candidates. It works on everything. The older I get, the more I need to use my head when repairing equipment. Here are two of my favorite tools I invented to save my back and lungs. Because I'm old, I can't crawl under things the way I used to. So I rigged this up so that if I have to get under a machine, I can let things down, or and now I can get down underneath and do what I need to do. Now, typically when I have something that's hard to start, I can't keep pulling the starter rope one after another because I'm getting old. So I use this. I put a socket on the end of it, and we typically try to start it that way. If you are retired or close to it, please subscribe. Check below for the things that I use to bring in more income. See you next week.